Hare Krishna everyone. So with Nrishinga Chaturdashi coming up, I decided to film a video on how to play Nrishinga Pranam in an interesting melody. So you don't hear this melody very often. People sing this in Mayapur usually. And I'm going to be playing it on the C scale. And C scale is very simple. You can remember it's all the white keys. That's your regular C scale. Okay, I don't think we play any black keys even. So it's only the white keys. So that makes it very easy. Of course, you can, once you learn it, you can try it on another scale. But right now we're just going to play it on the C scale. And we're going to start with this key here. Okay, so the three black keys. This one we're starting with. And notice I have my metronome here, my handy metronome. I'm going to start right at 50 BPM. And I'm going to increase from there. Okay, so 50 BPM is quite slow, but it's slow enough so that you can see the fingers I'm using. Okay, and you feel free to change the speed of the video. You can do that in when you select the gear icon on the YouTube video. You can change the playback speed. So feel free to do that just in case this is too slow for you. Okay. So here we go. All right, here we go. So I'll let it run one time through. Namaste Narasimha Let's do that again. Namaste Narasimha. Change the volume. Prahlad. Now here's a high part. next part. Sharanam Prapade Narasimhamadim Sharanam Prapade. Okay, here we go. So now we're going to do Tavakara Kamalavarinakam. Okay, and that's also going to be its own style. It's not like your regular, the regular one you hear at most temples. Okay, so let's start that. Tavakara Kamalavare Adbhuta Singham Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubhima Keshavadrita Naraharirupa Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Jai Jagadisha. So notice at a certain point after Keshavadrita, I used this black key. So I'll just show you again without the metronome. Keshavadrita Keshavadrita Narahariru. So you can either use the black key or the white key. So you can use either one of these, right? So I'll do it with the white key now. Keshavadrita Naraharirupa. So either one of these sounds right. You know, I've heard both quite commonly. Okay, so now we continue. So that was Tavakara Kamalavarinakam. And then you can do another way of playing that. Okay, so I'll rewind this. And we start over here. Tavakara Kamalavarinakam Dalita Hiranyakashipu And so here you can do Keshava Drita. You can do Keshava Drita either by starting here. Keshava, that's the normal way of doing Keshava Drita. You start here. Or you can do, again, starting from this high key. Keshava Drita Narari Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Okay, so let's do that now. The new variation of Tavakara Kamala Renakam and Keshava Drita, the new variation of both of them. Let's wait for it to run one time. Here we go. Right on the first one. Tavakara Kamala Renakama Buddha Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubringa Keshavadrita Jai Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Jaya Nishinhadev Jaya Nishinhadev Jaya Nishinhadev Jaya Nishinhadev Jaya Prahlad Maharaj Jaya Prahlad Maharaj Jaya Prahlad Maharaj Jaya Prahlad Maharaj. So you can just do these notes. That's the notes for this last part. Ga re ga da, re sa re re, ga ga re sa. So notice we're using just 4 keys here. Jaya Nishinhadev Jaya Nishin, like that. Okay? So good luck with this. I hope it helps. Practice it, and I hope you're able to sing this sometime. Thank you very much. Haribo.